Hello again, this is Mike from Toy Train Tips and Tricks with some breaking hobby news. In a major victory for three-rail hobbyists, Atlas Model Railroad Company and MTH Electric Trains have just announced a shared asset deal that will allow each company to use select models from the other company's O-scale tools and molds to complement products being produced by each company. The first of these shared assets will be passenger car tooling that can complement locomotives being produced by the other company. The program expands upon the sale of select MTH O-scale tooling and molds in 2021 to Atlas and the incorporation of MTH's onboard locomotive Proto-Sound 3 sound system into selective Atlas O-scale locomotive releases that began in 2022. The first example of this partnership is a new GS4 steamer in 4 different schemes and matching passenger cars being marketed by MTH with expected delivery in early 2024. Atlas's first product announcement utilizing the shared asset program will be unveiled in the October 2023 York catalog later this month. Products produced from the shared assets will be branded in the company packaging of whichever company is using the tooling and molds to complement that company's products. As an example, the production of streamlined passenger cars using the Atlas tooling to complement an MTH steam or diesel locomotive by MTH will be marketed, warranted, and sold by MTH and packaged in MTH Premier Line boxes. The production of MTH passenger cars using tooling still owned by MTH to complement Atlas locomotives will be marketed, warranted, and sold by Atlas and packaged in Atlas O Premier boxes. This is a great opportunity for both MTH and Atlas to offer our customers even more variety and choice, said Rich Foster, Vice President of Sales for MTH Electric Trains. We're excited to see what we can create together. Quote, "This partnership is a win-win for both companies," said Jarek Hadrick, COO of Atlas Model Railroad Company. "It allows us to offer our customers more of the O-scale products they love, while also providing both firms with better economies of scale throughout our production processes. We hobbyists can hope that this new partnership will create new product opportunities, greater selection, and a stronger hobby overall. We will keep you posted of any new developments on this channel. Thanks for watching, and remember to catch our new long-format video starting this Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Until then, keep the trains running."